Okay, diving more deep into this Hisense built-in oven, we're going to show you how to adapt telescopic guides. As you can see, smooth running telescopic guides provide a perfect overview of the baking process on all levels. You can switch it up or down. If you want to open the oven in between, check your food or flip it around, you can do this with these telescopic guides. Depending on the model, some are removable, some are not. These are removable, and we're going to show you how to simply remove it. In order to show you how easy it is to remove these telescopic guides, I removed everything from the oven, so all the trays. And now I'm just going to clip here, one clip and the other clip, and voila, here they are. And then I just adapt it to a different height.